Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix OpenSearch login issues, security and access errors step by step clearly. To resolve OpenSearch login issues, the first step is to identify the specific error message you are encountering. Common errors include unauthorized, access denied, or invalid credentials. Begin by checking your username and password. Ensure that you are using the correct login credentials. Next, verify that your user account is enabled and not locked. If you have access to the security settings, review the user permissions. Make sure the account you are using has the necessary roles assigned for OpenSearch access. If you are unsure, consult with your system administrator to confirm your account status. If you continue to face login issues, navigate to the OpenSearch configuration files. Locate the OpenSearch.yml file on the server. Open the configuration file and check the security settings. Ensure that the security plugin is correctly configured and enabled. Review the authentication method you are using, whether it is basic, LDAP. If you are using an external authentication provider, confirm that it is up. Next, check the connection between OpenSearch and the authentication provider. Any network issues could prevent successful logins. If configurations are in place, consider restarting the OpenSearch service. After the service restarts, attempt to log in again. If issues persist, review server logs for specific error messages. Logs can often provide insights into what is causing. If an error about SSL or certificate issues appears, check your SSL configurations. Ensure that certificates are valid and correctly installed. If necessary, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, cached data can interfere with the login process. If you are accessing OpenSearch remotely, ensure your network settings allow traffic on necessary ports. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, consult the OpenSearch documentation or community forums for additional guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.